Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy, that sneaker guy Mauve, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Yeezy 700 Boost Mauve, whatever it is you call it. I do not know how to pronounce that colorway. And I remember when Kanye wore that sneaker over a year ago as a sample, they were calling it the Kiwi, which makes more sense to me. It fits the colorway more. Hey guys, I did not get the off-white blazers, the spooky pack, none of them. Yesterday, the black 97 came out. Of course, I didn't get it. But there's always something with Yeezys. I don't know if it's because I'm Kanye's biggest fan or whatever, but I always get them. Always get them. Alright guys, we did end up getting the 700s for retail. Super stoked. I knew it would happen. I always get lucky with any Yeezy. I do not know why. Anything else, I never win. But guys, while we wait for that, I want to show you guys the new Kyrie 4s I picked up yesterday. Yeah, I know Nike basketball is not hyped anymore as it used to be. I know I started collecting shoes back in 6th grade. I'm a senior now. Guys, Nike basketball used to be so popular back in the... I bought these because, to me, they look so dope. And, you know, it's at the end of the day, it's about wearing what you like. I know I wear what I like. Here it is. The Kyrie 4 70s. Now, this shoe is crazy, guys. So much going on, and that's what I like about it. It's so unique. Look at the sole. I loved it. I really love the side panel. I love the swoosh, how it fades. So yeah, not much to talk about. It's a Kyrie 4 basketball shoe. You guys could do your research on this performance. I'm not the best at basketball, although I love watching the NBA and playing basketball, even though I'm not the best. I really like this shoe.
Get the best, and I'm feeling blessed. I'm up next. Why these people still be thinking that I flex? Nevertheless, trying to get the best, and I'm feeling blessed. I'm up next. Why these people still be thinking that I flex? On the road, trying to make a play. Yeah, that's every day. By the water, yeah, that's MIA. Fell in love with that cake. I go out my way, and I'm on my way to the bank, cause I paper chase. Pop out with that cake.
Alright guys, I literally just got the shoes. Took 6 days to arrive. Literally just got like 2 seconds ago. Super excited. It's a new colorway of the 700, super comfortable. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, there you have it, 700 bucks. Let's take it out. I've seen it, 700 Boost. Size 8, Mauve. There you go. Size tag. I'm about to see it for the first time, obviously. Take out the wrapping paper. Wow. Wow. Here it is, guys. Oh, it smells so good. The quality is way better on this shoe than my Wave Runners, at least. Got the bottoms right there. You got the tags right here. You got the tongue right here. Super nice quality suede, guys. It is very nice.
Young nigga on the hustle, move fast with a couple. Only thing I know is how to get it. I ain't never tryna see the struggle. Young nigga on the hustle, move fast with a couple. Only thing I know is how to get it. I ain't never tryna see the struggle. It only took one to switch up on me. Nah, I be showing no love. Nah, I be showing no love. Nah, I be showing no love. It only took one to switch up on me. Nah, I be showing no love.
Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the support. It has been crazy and it means a ton. And that's Sneaker Guy Mauve signing out.
It only took one to switch up on me. Nah, I be showing no love. Nah, I be showing no love. Nah, I be showing no love. It only took one to switch up on me. Nah, I be showing no love.